There's some new options to consider if you're in the market for an electric skateboard. IKEA's TaskRabbit goes down after a cyber attack. And Facebook gets hit with a class action lawsuit. It's all the tech news that's popular right now. Welcome to Hashtag Trending. It's Wednesday, April 18th. I'm your host, Brian Jackson. Trending on Google are brand new electric skateboards. That's right, Boosted Boards unveiled its first new products in 6 years yesterday. It's adding to its inventory of electric longboard skateboards with 2 new shortboards. The Boosted Mini S will retail for $749 US and the Mini X for $999 US. Riders hold a handheld remote while they roll along. This can control the speed of the boards, which can reach up to 20 miles per hour. The longboards also got an upgrade, and they offer a maximum speed of 24 miles per hour. Those will start shipping in early June if you think you can hang. Is that a thing skateboarders say? Look, I don't know. I've never even tried to stand on a skateboard. Trending on LinkedIn, TaskRabbit says it suffered a cybersecurity breach. The IKEA-owned online marketplace for Joe Jobs took down its website and mobile app on Monday. At the time of recording this podcast, they're still offline. TaskRabbit says that it's working with another cybersecurity firm to investigate the attack. It also urged users to change their passwords on other websites if they use the same password in many places. By the way, that's always a terrible idea, exactly because of incidents like this. You should really use a password manager instead. Anyhow, the incident may hinder IKEA's plans to expand TaskRabbit internationally to Canada this year. Trending on Facebook is news that Facebook itself is the target of a new class action lawsuit over facial recognition. It's just the latest allegation that the social network doesn't take its users' privacy seriously enough. A U.S. district judge based in San Francisco ruled that this lawsuit could progress on Monday. The crux of this lawsuit is that Facebook uses facial recognition to create and store face templates. It's argued that this breaks the Illinois Biometric Information Privacy Act put in place in 2008, but Facebook disagrees. That's what's trending today. Hashtag Trending is produced by the ITWC Podcast Network. If you enjoy Hashtag Trending, please be sure to give us a rating and a review on Amazon, Apple Podcasts, Google Play, or wherever else you get your podcasts from. I'm Brian Jackson.